Hey Dyers, welcome back to the channel, your go-to space for smart, stylish, and satisfying home improvement projects. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on budget-friendly ways to elevate your space. Today, we're diving into a project that looks like it came straight from a designer's portfolio but is so simple, anyone can do it. And it won't cost a fortune either. I'm talking about DIY floating shelves. They're modern, sleek, and perfect for organizing or decorating your space. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, or even your garage, floating shelves are a functional and fabulous touch. And the best part? You won't need to hire a pro. I'm walking you through everything step by step, from choosing the right materials to installation tips that will make your shelves sturdy and stylish. Let's get organized and creative, because when it comes to home decor, the walls should definitely do the talking. So grab your tools, grab your coffee, and let's build something beautiful together. Let's start with the foundation, what you'll need to build and install the perfect floating shelves. Here's the checklist of materials and tools. Materials: solid wood planks, wall brackets or hidden floating shelf brackets, drywall anchors, wood screws, wood filler, sandpaper, stain or paint, clear sealant or polyurethane. Tools: power drill and drill bits, stud finder, level, measuring tape, screwdriver, miter saw or circular saw, wood glue, painter's tape, safety glasses and gloves. Pro tip: choose your wood wisely. Pine is affordable and easy to work with. Want a rustic look? Try reclaimed wood or oak for character. Before cutting anything, you'll want a clear plan. So here's what to consider. Decide the shelf location. Living room: display books, art, or plants. Kitchen: great for spices, jars, or mugs. Bathroom: store towels, toiletries, or candles. Entryway: mail, keys, small baskets. Measure the wall space. Use painter's tape to mark out the shelf location visually. Account for the height of the items you plan to place on the shelves. Ideal spacing between shelves is 12 to 16 inches. Find the studs. Use a stud finder to mark where the wall studs are. Floating shelves are most secure when mounted into studs. Mark stud locations lightly with a pencil. Helpful tip: if no stud is available, use heavy-duty drywall anchors rated for at least 50 pounds. Let's get those shelves cut and prepped. Cut your boards. Measure and mark your wood to your desired shelf length. Use a miter saw for clean, straight cuts. Sand all surfaces thoroughly. Start with 120 grit and finish with 220 grit for a smooth touch. Customize your look. Stain for a natural or rustic finish. Paint for modern, bright colors. Allow the wood to fully dry after staining or painting. Apply a clear sealant or polyurethane to protect the surface. Pro tip: use wood conditioner before staining soft woods like pine for an even finish. Now we're getting into the core part, securely mounting your shelf. Mark bracket placement. Hold your bracket against the wall where you want the shelf. Use a level to make sure it's straight. Mark the screw holes with a pencil. Drill pilot holes. Drill into the wall at your pencil marks. If using studs, you're good to go. If not, insert drywall anchors before screwing. Install brackets. Attach the brackets to the wall using screws and a drill. Double check with a level to ensure everything's aligned. Hidden brackets. Optional advanced version. Use a floating shelf hardware kit. Drill into the back of the wood plank to insert the support rods. Slide the shelf onto the rods and secure. Your voiceover: it's like magic. No visible support, just a floating piece of art that also holds your favorite things. We've got the support, now let's install the shelf. Dry fit. Place the shelf on the bracket to ensure everything lines up. Make any needed adjustments before finalizing. Secure the shelf. Screw from underneath through the bracket into the shelf. Use wood filler to conceal any screw holes if visible. Final level. Check. Use the level one last time to check if everything is perfect. Add a dab of wood glue for extra strength if desired. Clean up, wipe away any pencil marks or dust, touch up any paint or finish as needed. And just like that, you've installed a stunning floating shelf. Here's where the fun begins, making it look amazing. Ideas to style your shelves: plants, small potted succulents or hanging ivy. Books: stack or lean them for a casual feel. Frames: mix vertical and horizontal orientations. Candles and decor: vary heights and textures. Functional use: storage baskets, jars, or containers. Style tip: group items in odd numbers like 3s or 5s for a balanced, pleasing aesthetic. Not every DIY goes perfectly. Here's how to fix a few common floating shelf issues. Shelf isn't level. Loosen and re-level the bracket before tightening. Use wall shims to adjust if needed. Wobbly shelf. Ensure you're anchored into studs or use stronger drywall anchors. Consider adding L brackets underneath for extra stability, paint to match wall. Visible screws. Use wood filler and touch-up paint for a clean look. Consider decorative screw caps or plugs. And there you have it, friends. Your very own floating shelves built and installed with your own two hands. Not only did you save money, but you created something functional and stylish that truly upgrades your space. Don't forget, you can personalize this project to fit your decor style. Whether it's farmhouse, modern, industrial, or boho. If you try this project, tag me on Instagram at your channel name. I love seeing your amazing work. Drop a comment below. Where are you planning to add floating shelves in your home? Got any decorating tips? Let's share ideas. If you found this helpful, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more clever, simple DIYs to transform your space one project at a time. Until next time, stay creative, stay curious, and as always, keep building the home you love, one DIY at a time.